All right, Brooke, thank you very much. Let's bring in Mark Reichel, a legal analyst. We appreciate you being on Morning in America. I know you've been an attorney for over 3 decades. You've seen thousands of national security cases. Is it a big deal that the judge is now requesting this redacted affidavit?
Look, you just had a former federal prosecutor of 34 years, which trumps my experience in defense, say just now they've never heard of something like this. Additionally, can't even believe that they're entertaining the motion. So it is rare. As you know, I argued in the U.S. Supreme Court about the process. When they serve a warrant on a homeowner, what must they do? They really only have to leave the face sheet and then what they took. The face sheet is going to answer some really good questions for the homeowner, and that's public. The homeowner, Mr. Trump in this case, can go around and hand it out. It shows why they're there. We believe these legal violations, okay, what they can search for, documents, evidence, cars, shoes, whatever, physical evidence. And when? Today, or within the next 5 days, they have to leave a copy of what they took. The Supreme Court has held, really, that's all you're entitled to until you're charged. Once you're charged with a crime, then, of course, for you to defend yourself, once you're charged, they can give everything to you, which includes the affidavit. But prior to that, the DOJ is, busy in their own investigation. This is unheard of to even kind of discuss this, that the person they're investigating will get the internal workings, their internal secret documents of why they did this, and then just get that to be given to the person they're investigating. Extremely rare, in my opinion, and under the law.
Why do you think the judge is actually asking for this? Do you have any thoughts about that?
We'll see. You did just hear also from a former federal prosecutor. There's speculation it's going to be more redactions than it's going to be actual words. And I think that's accurate. I think the judge is saying, fine, if there's this great, compelling public interest all across America and everywhere of who's saying these things, what are they really looking for? The judge may say, look, if it's stuff that doesn't compromise the investigation, doesn't scare off any future witnesses or cause any potential harm to prior witnesses, and there's things in there that could go out into the public realm, that's okay. So we kind of have a hybrid, I think, from this judge. We don't really know exactly what the judge is going to allow, and the DOJ redacts it substantially. The judge may say that's too much and order them to do more, or the judge may say that's fine, that satisfies what they want. They want what they can have, which is public, but I'm going to prevent everything else. Additionally, what Brooke just said is very accurate. The DOJ, if they lose and feel they should not lose, they will appeal this above the magistrate to the district court, could then take it to the appellate court, and we could see this make it all the way to the U.S. Supreme Court.
What are considered the sensitive portions of the affidavit that could justify the search of former President Trump's Mar-a-Lago home? Because I think a lot of people are saying, well, we deserve the right to know, but maybe we can just at least give some context.
Yeah, obviously everyone understands that, no information is always chased by misinformation. So everybody's, wanting to know what's in there. But what you just said is so accurate. Anybody who has previously spoken on the condition of being anonymous, let's say, or having their identity protected, okay, a confidential witness, they're really important to cases. Once you've been charged, we have to give you that person. But prior to that, we assure the confidentiality to some of these cooperating witnesses. Those are what could be compromised. Additionally, this is national security. For them to have explained to the judge, we need to search the former president's home for national security reasons, they had to say more than just that. This would tip off everyone to what national security interests are involved, and that could cause a foreign country to stop cooperating with the FBI, to stop participating in this and saying, well, now that we've been exposed, we can't tell them what we were telling them earlier. So those are some of the major things. Like we said, his contacts and what's in these documents could be, of paramount consideration to national security. And those have tentacles which reveal to the public things that we normally keep secret for a good reason, national security.
Mark Reichel, thank you for being with us here on Morning in America.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.